This is the multi-cylinder cone crusher manufactured by Shanghai Zhuyan Heavy Industry. Our crushers offer excellent performance, simple maintenance and operation, and a main frame made of superior quality materials. They boast a long service life of 10 to 20 years. With performance that meets advanced international standards, this machine represents the best value for money investment for your long-term operations in the mining industry. Carrying forward the spirits of fine workmanship for manufacturing, research, development and innovation. Dedicating to solutions to the mineral crushing and screening. We are Shanghai Zhuyan.